Alright folks, so this is the GRoller stop from grandpitstop. So let me show you what's inside the box. Once you open it up, we have a manual. We'll have three different types of this product. One is a small, medium and large. Since we are using it for super bikes, I've chosen the large one. So this is how the manual looks. You have all the details regarding the product. So we have a product. Let's take this out. The product is really sturdy. The main purpose of this product would be to take it in your journey. So let's say you're riding a bike alone from A to B and you get stuck. You get a puncture and you get stuck in the middle of the road. When somebody rides and somebody does a long ride, what happens is they have the puncture kit, but the problem would be that there would be no Paddock stand. For people like us, again, we have a backup car. So we have our luggage, a Paddock stand, and we have the luxury to do anything we want with the car. But then people who are traveling alone, this would be really helpful. You can just put it in your bag and you can take it anywhere. And yeah, so this is something that you can use it for getting rid of punctures with your puncture kit and this. And apart from that, let's say you're driving 250 to 500 kilometers once, so that you can stop in the middle of the road, put it on the road, get your bike onto this and lubricate your chain as per your wish with a lubricant like Motul and others. And this can be used for both the front wheel and the back wheel. So this is going to be pretty handy for you when you are there out riding your bike or motorcycle. So let's pick this out and see how this is. Yeah, it rolls pretty good. Looks good. So let's put this on use now and see how this performs, and I'll let you guys know how it is. So yeah, here we have the GRoller stop. As the first step, let's use it on the rear wheel and see how this performs over this large vehicle, large motorcycle. So place it near your tire on the front, and what you do is the tire is resting on the GRoller stop. Let's see if we can rotate the tire. So yeah, with GRoller placed under the tire, we can now easily rotate the tires and the chain, with which you can lube and clean your chain, as well as when the tire has a puncture on a highway, what you can do is you can place this under the tire and see where the puncture is, and with a normal puncture kit which costs around 100 rupees, you can clear your punctures out without anybody's intervention and help. So that's where this product will come handy in the place of a Paddock stand, because you cannot take a Paddock stand to all the place. So that is where the GRoller stop will help you guys, and this is one of the best case scenarios where you can use this product if you're somebody who's traveling on a highway across the Indian continent or anywhere in the world. This is going to be helpful, and I like such products that come for a cause and not for just a profit. So yeah, thanks to the guys from grandpitstop for sending me this. And by the way, there's no escaping from this. We'll need a new product for this to not have this on your hand. Alright folks, we did try the GRoller on the Ducati Multistrada. Ducati Multistrada weighs around 250-260 kgs, I believe. Should be the weight, right? Yeah, that should be the ballpark range of the weight of this bike. So what's happening is, when we put the bike on the roller, it kind of slides away from the tire, but then it's in the tire. It does not come out of the tire any time. Since it's the first few time, we are a little nervous because this is around 23 lakhs, and that's one case you guys should notice. Get to know the product well and then use it very well. So yeah, we were able to rotate the back tire and the front tire as well. So if you're somebody who's traveling alone, this will come in handy for 4,500 for a super bike. Will this be useful? Of course, because a good paddock stand starts from 5,000 and goes till 20-25,000. So this is in no way a replacement to the paddock stand. The paddock stand has different use case scenarios, and this has different use case scenarios. So the main use of this GRoller would be when you're taking your motorcycle on a highway, traveling alone. You can have this in your bag and use it to lube, chain, and pick your punches out. With that being said, thanks to all you people for staying this long. And if you like the video and the product, kindly go to the site, which is in the description. Do make use of these two products. For people staying this long, you have a special discount by using the coupon code TrackSarath. So go to the description, go to the link, and apply the desired products to the cart, and apply coupon code. Yeah, I hope you guys really like these products, and if you are someone out there who's using these products for a long time, let me know how it is, because I would like to know how this product performs in a long time, and I'll let you guys know how this performs after 2-3 months. With that being said, thank you so much. Catch you guys in another video.